Siki ngasi tawriba ma adagi laiga tawri pose akhoi Manipur gi potse mapan da su yamna pame yam pame. We have started export of turmeric. Recently, 10 ton of turmeric powder we exported to Europe, and we have also started exporting this pineapple, organic, pure organic. And we are here lots of like ginger. You can get here lemon, orange, and not only the handlooms area. Handloom area is especially we can accept anything. Handloom and any crafts. 68 subdivision में अलग-अलग items किया है. तो तमिलनाडु में हम करेगा अभी ऑरेंज. तो इसको प्रोडक्शन को इनलार्ज करा के मीन्स इनहांस करा के उसको वी कैन एक्सपोर्ट इट टू द आउटसाइड. उसका टेक्निकल उसका वैल्यू एडेड करने के लिए स्किल उसका मशीनरीज जरूरी है. फर्जोल एरिया यू कैन सी देयर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ह्यूज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ginger, purely organic ginger. So that kind of things, sometimes people are not getting sufficient space for marketing also. Rural economies, improve rural economies. And the rural economy backbone economy country or state. And the higher posting a stakeholder consultation meet kind workshop sina mohena mayam the kana bapigani mayam the hena thabuk suning bagi pothok puthokning bagi madugi quality value added kamai ta wadage madugi marketing kamai ta wadage ramai ta guna hena larger scope to yaga the have the foreign technical session da mayam tawrani ado akhoi unipi sing ima sing isan sing hena haibani moina loina khangmani akhoi properly moibu support to bida bagi wadani moi di hawudagi traditionally the Mokoi yum the Tabuk Sujar, Pisha, Consatorga, Jana Peter Masa Taga, like them in the Lapa, my view, nutrition, skill, talent, sacrifice. My Amamana can labor quick stating. Soccer state them when one of the quite the kind of peaceful coexistence. Quimayam, Gimark, harmoniously lemon Matutai. Aduna Bohunga Simanipur, Mang, Sapangamani, and Mayampunama. Mangolo view, a Fabo view, I have a concrete Tamaga illusions again. Thank you. Jai Hind.